Why pisnaksil, KNSCUTENS up in the Queen Mountain. Hello everybody, I'm Jordan Coble. Today I'm a council member, but at the heart of everything, I am a language learner. I'm a cultural enthusiast, and I just love our people, and I love where we came from and where we're going to go in the future. Westbank First Nation really wants to support language learning in all capacities, whether it's through the language house, through an Knxcutens, or just getting together with your elders. My journey started when I was a child, and I came up through the school, through the Westbank Indian Band School, through SAGAcom, and most recently through the Seal Language House, where I endured a 4-year program of fun and in Knxcutens. What is important to me, though, is the support network that was provided along my entire journey, from the elders who have since passed to those who continue to share, but also with those who helped me through the journey of the language house and will help you learn some language and have some fun doing it. So with that in mind, I want to introduce Instructor and Levi Bent.
Why liblim tsaris, talikin limt kinchkich. I hope everyone's excited about learning language. I'm really grateful to be here to do all this work. This is KNSCUTENS N1, the helper to the book 1. So look forward and stay tuned. Dan Kailukchin, why?